guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're making some fried fish. I have three different sets of fish here. I have snapper fish, I have parrotfish, and I also have this fish. I don't sure the name of the fish, so I'm gonna leave that alone. So what I'm using for the fish, I am going to use lemon pepper, black pepper, some salt, and I'm gonna use some egg powder. For the first time I'm gonna try it just to see if I can give the fish a nice color. To the bowl I'm going to add the, whoa, so that was way too much black pepper, so we'll pour it out. I'm gonna also add some lemon pepper, and the lemon pepper having salt, so I'm not gonna add too much salt to the mixture. I'm gonna add some salt. So I saw someone on the food channel use the lemon pepper, so I've decided to try it. It's my first time trying it. Hope I like it because I'm gonna use it on all the fish. So we're just gonna combine this. Alright. And let's add it to the fish now. So let's season the fish. I'm just gonna drizzle. Remember, we have the two sides of fish with season and on the inside. So we as Jamaican, we don't really go with measurement. We just season, right? So I'm gonna go on the other side. So, as I just said, sometimes we get silent and forgot so we're supposed to talk while the video going, because we don't want to get on a board. We have to keep it entertained so we can watch the video to the end and it makes sense. So you have to remember, open up the fish and get your season on the inside of the fish, right? Open at the edge parts of the fish. Alright, so we're gonna do that to all of the fish and come back. As I'm gonna go in with the egg powder. I'm gonna wish me luck on the party. This is my first time doing this, but yeah, I think it will work. Why not? Why wouldn't it work? Why? I wanna get some nice color fish. Why wouldn't it work? And guys, don't worry if you don't have no egg powder. It's just me. And I remember I have a food page, so I like when the food look appealing. So this is not for taste, so you don't have to worry about it. It's gonna taste just the same, just fine, without using egg powder. And if you have the Gaia Szechuan season, that will work. If you have some coriander, that would work. Turmeric, because I find that when you fry with turmeric, after a while the meat gets saggy, and I don't like that. So when you come on to frying with turmeric, I don't like it and I don't recommend it. So you see, a little go a long way. So all I did is just dip my finger in it and rub it on it. I'll come off the camera just because you know what, waste no time, and then come back, come show you, because after this I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute, then we're gonna fry. Here we have our seasoned fish. We have some rosemary, garlic, pepper, pimento seed, and clove. along with the cooking oil on the pot over here. So we're gonna add the oil to the pot. So let's test if the oil ready. Alright, let's add these to the pot. So the rosemary, pepper, garlic, pimento seed, and cloves. So I'm going to add the fish them to the pot. So I want the fish. Whoa! So if I remove the garlic then, I don't want them burn too much in the pot. I move them. Can I take these out of the pot? So the flavor already in the pot, so just I'll get them out of the way. Alright, so cool. I want to finish one of my sisters. basically, yeah, rinse and repeat. Then color, then pick that darker color because you know that I keep using the same eye, the same eye. So definitely pick them darker. So this is what we're working with. So this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoy this video.